Lemon bars. Prepare a pie crust with 125 grams of all-purpose flour, 30 grams of powdered sugar and 1 stick or 1/4 of a pound of salted butter cut into squares. Mix in a food processor or with a fork until it looks like a dough. Line a square mold of 20 cm by 20 cm with waxed paper or aluminum foil. Using gloves or plastic wrap, spread the dough to completely cover the base of the mold. Making sure it is uniform. With a fork, prick the dough to avoid bubbles when baking. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes or until it begins to brown. Remove it from the oven, place it on a wire rack and let it cool. For the filling, mix 250 grams of granulated sugar with 1 or 2 tablespoons of grated lemon peel. Add 60 grams of all-purpose flour and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Separately, beat 3/4 of a cup of eggs. 3 jumbo-size eggs in this recipe. Gradually add the sugar and flour mixture. Finally, add half a cup of lemon juice. Transfer the mixture to the mold and bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius for 25 to 35 minutes or until the filling hardens. This one took 35 minutes in the oven. Let it cool completely on a wire rack, preferably overnight. Dip a knife or dough cutter in hot water before cutting portions. Garnish with powdered sugar and enjoy it bite by bite.